This is a Porsche Boxster 986, which is the early first iteration model years for this car. You probably already know this is what a key to it looks like. And if you've either lost it or have a problem with it and you need to replace it, you can do that by purchasing a replacement shell for this off of Amazon. If you've broken just the metal part of this key, but you still have the shell, you can get the replacement. I'm gonna put an affiliate link in the description of this video to get a replacement key. And then you can pry this open. You can see that right there, you can get a fingernail in there or a screwdriver. And this shell comes in two, and you can take the innards and put it inside of the new key. Or if you don't have those any longer, you can bring it to a Porsche dealership or even in some cases, a locksmith, and you can get it programmed. So the replacement key I'm gonna put the affiliate link for in Amazon will not be able to unlock your car and start it up because of the immobilizer, but you will be able to get it programmed. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.